The way this was designed, obviously we did a wax up, prepped all the teeth, even the teeth that we weren't intending to keep, we held onto as many teeth as we could, and then went from a Luxe Temp to now this PMMA. She's been in this PMMA since June, and I really want you to look. I mean, this is a solid PMMA. Look at the healing of this tissue around here as we go around here. You can't deny it's a strong material. She's had no problems. It's been in there, rock solid. Bite down for me, big smile. I mean, such a beautiful temporary. So we're gonna transition her. We're gonna take this off, get an implant level impression, and from there, we'll be able to then transition her for the exact same shape temp and the exact same occlusal plane, just go from being tooth-borne to being implant-borne. And I gotta tell you, this is a big upstep in dentistry. Doesn't matter how many temps I got to go through, we're gonna dial this in so she knows exactly what her finals are gonna look like. This is a beautiful color, beautiful shape. This is done from ProLab over in Naples, Florida, ProLab Aesthetics, Dave Haley and his team, and they just did a wonderful, wonderful job. Bite down again for me, big smile. That's a beautiful temporary. This is what temporary should be. This is what they should represent, and this is the way that shows that, hey, this is my test drive. I know exactly what my finals are gonna look like.